Yes, go ahead.
So what about if we use like tablecloth for dairy, and then for meat we use we just take it off and we just use like the bare surface of the table, like no tablecloth for meat. Is that problematic?
No, it's not problematic. It's not a problem. No. So of course, the problematic is to use the same. But after you finish, let's say you use your bare table surface, there is no problem. Let's say it's made of formica, there is no problem. But you will have to wash it with a soap. So meaning, what does it mean with the soap? That means that if it was some residue, it's spoiled. So it's not meat. Even if you did not wipe it completely, so it's not good basically. So it's not considered to be meat, or it's not considered to be dated. So that's the thing.